Hi guys. The circle prototype showcase the core gameplay mechanics, the visual style we're aiming for, the overall level design, the direction. Some assets are placeholders. Our focus is here to demonstrate the game's foundation and atmosphere. So let's begin. First, work. When you go to work, random generator will generate stress and hunger number for your. This is subtracted from the basic 100%. This number will be factored in by your skills, the field, your mood, and just how stressed and hungry you are for the sake of realism. For example, if you're stressed, more stress will build up because you can't focus at work, and that will only make you more stressed. Next, the emotion. Emotion can only be triggered by external influences. For example, if you get fired from a job, sometimes bad happens, etc. If you're angry, you can't think clearly in reality. So here, too, in reality, if you're angry, you get more stress point, but fewer fatigue point at the end of the work. You don't get fatigue, hunger, and other things only at the end of the work, which like in reality, they decrease by themselves. So we'll automatically become hungrier and tired. If stress level reaches zero, then there's a chance that your character will have a heart attack and die. The character dies, there's no new life, just like in reality. The game is over. Of course, you can set a new character, but you can't continue the existing one. Nice. NPC conversation, relationship. The NPC conversation will be 100% AI driven. You may have seen videos in a big city, you can talk to all NPCs, and it will be exactly like that. You can connect character and the player with no AI models like ChatGPT and many others. So you can not chat but also talk to all NPCs with a microphone, which have their own personalities, their own characteristic, just like the player, you. They will remember your actions, what you said in the future, and they can influence their decisions towards you. Next, character development, new opportunities, even a new life. Character development doesn't happen by itself, just like in real life. Work and learn. After every working day, you get the experience point XP based on your existing knowledge, your stress level, and your mood. And from there, a new job. You can change job anytime, anywhere. You can quit at any time, but it's not guaranteed that you will be hired for the next one. When you apply for a job, you'll be called in for an interview, which is also done by an AI. You get 1 point for every correct answer. And if you reach X%, you will be hired. This game has a stack in the past, neither in its grippage nor in its gameplay. You can apply for jobs and everything else on your phone, laptop, wherever you want online. Next, UI, user interface, grippage. The UI or user interface is what you see when you open the game. For example, the main menu or the option menu that appears when you press escape. What you're seeing now is just a prototype. The main purpose is to showcase the core gameplay mechanics, not the final design. As for the grippage, the majority of the visual work is powered by Unreal Engine, but of course we added our own touch as well. Unreal is the game engine, the application we use to build the game. We are confident in saying that it's one of the best, if not the best, when it comes to lighting, visual, the overall grippage, performance. The goal is to achieve a photorealistic experience so you can truly immerse yourself in the world and feel like you are the character you are playing. Sorry. Next, but not final, the budget. The income we use from Kickstarter It's 60% for visual assets, the world design, the grid pitch, models, lighting. We use 30% for core gameplay, development, and plugins, mechanics, direction systems, and finally the 10% equipment and hardware, the good PC that can handle that such a big project. Next, character samples. These early prototypes characters, not what you can download from the Epic Games Store for free. In the final game, all characters will be 100% original and created in-house. However, the level of photographic details is here the reflection what we are aiming for in the final version. Next, and finally, the city glimpses into world design, atmosphere, the visual style we are innovation for the game. This tone we want players to feel as they explore the innovation.